So at this point in the tutorial, I'm hoping that you guys had a chance to start putting questions into your assessment or survey, trying out the different types of questioning styles that we've learned in the previous video. And now I'm hoping that you guys are wondering what kind of other multimedia tools can we embed into our assessment, such as videos or pictures. And just to reiterate, anytime you want to add a new type of box to your form, whether it be a question or a different type of multimedia, you want to use this small little rectangle box over here. You could add a question, a title to your form at any given point in time, an image, video, or even a different section for your form. So the first media tool I would like to show you how to embed is an image. And there's many different ways you can upload an image onto your form. You can upload it through your computer, just from any document that you want. You can take a snapshot of your webcam. Hi. You can do it through a website's URL. You can choose a photo from your Google Plus account, which I don't have currently. You can choose photos from your Google Drive. I have a few on here, but I'm not going to add any. And you can search for an image that's anywhere on the internet. So for this specific tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and search for an image off the internet. And being that I have a math background, I'm going to pick a topic that I'm currently going over with my 8th grade students, which is graphing linear equations. And all these images pop up that are related to linear equations or just equations in general. And I'm going to pick this one right here. Now, I don't really like my stuff being left alignment, so you can change the alignment by going to this 3 dots. And I like center aligning it, and you can also change the size of it too. So I'm going to go ahead and actually put directions where it says image title. I'm going to want students or somebody filling out this form to fill in 3 questions based off this image. Alright, so I just created all 3 of my questions that I want based off this image. The first question is, what is the slope of this linear equation? And it is multiple choice. Second one is, what is the y-intercept of this graph or linear equation? And again, I also have made multiple choice, but you can see there I messed up with the options, and I can just make a quick fix there, just drag it back up. My last question is actually a short answer, which is what is the equation of this linear graph? And so that one I'll have to grade by hand. So if you'd like to do so, now is a great time to pause this video and try to embed your own image and then come up with questions for your students to answer based off of the image. Alright, so now I'd like to show you guys how to embed a video into your Google form. And I'm actually going to embed my previous video that you'll be watching to show you how to do different forms of questioning and put different forms of questioning into your Google form. So I'm going to embed that now. So what we're going to want to do is actually hover over this button that looks like the YouTube app or YouTube app icon, which says Add Video, and we can click Add Video. And now we have 2 different options. We could search for a video based on its title. So my title was style/formats of questioning in Google Forms. And here's my video right here, the first one that pops up. But let's say we couldn't find it. Let's just say that I just tried typing in implementing questions into Google Forms. And as you can see, it's not as easy to find the video that I'm looking for. But I do see a lot of informative videos if you'd like to pick one of those. But you could also just go to URL and type in the URL, and if it's what you're looking for, it should pop right up. Real easy, just press select. And now we have my video on how to add different types of, or different styles of questions into our form. And I'm just going to change the alignment on this and add a title. So again, putting my video on how to implement or embed questions into your Google form seems out of sequence if I put it at the very bottom. So I'm going to drag this back up to where it should go so it's more fluid for you guys to fill out the form in chronological order. And you can do that with any box in your form. Now please take some time to start making your assessment your own. Put pictures where you want to put pictures, put videos where you want to put videos, drag stuff around. So start playing with how you want to start formatting your assessment. So next video I'm going to show you how to grade your assessments or to analyze your surveys, and there's cool ways that Google will help grade or analyze your survey or assessment for you. Thank you.